An equation for me has no meaning unless it expresses a thought to God. Greetings to one and all present here. With immense pleasure on behalf of Grads International School, I, Gauri of Grade 8, extremely privileged to have this opportunity to welcome you all at this important moment to celebrate National Mathematics Day. Today, the main objective behind the celebration is to raise awareness among people about the importance of mathematics for the development of humanity.
Therefore, to celebrate this special day, we conduct lots of activities in our school.
Everyone today with nine numbers. 2, 1 star and 2 star. Where is 2? This is 2. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. And I will I'm going to try the regulars. This number is 1. This number is 2. This number is 4. Happy Math Day! Hello everyone. I have 5 papers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. मैं उन इनको ऐड करने जा रहा हूँ 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Thank you.
National Mathematics Day is celebrated on 22nd December to commemorate the birth anniversary of the famous mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. He had made remarkable contributions in various fields of mathematics and its branches. His work has had a fundamental role in the development of modern mathematics. Today, we are celebrating his 133rd birth anniversary, an occasion that is celebrated as National Mathematics Day every year. Thank you.
For the piggy activity. ये देखो मेरी प्यारी सी पिगी। अब जैसे कि मुझे 45 रुपीज बनाने हैं, उसके लिए हमें एक डाइस चाहिए और कुछ नोट्स चाहिए और कुछ कॉइन चाहिए। तो वो हम कैसे करेंगे? तो हम वो डाइस को प्ले करके करेंगे। तो हम प्ले करते हैं 3। तो हम 3 अब हम 3 को दोबारा प्ले करेंगे 6 और अब हम 5 और 1 लेंगे। चाहे तो हम 1 के 6 कॉइन्स ले सकते हैं। अब हम 3 को दोबारा प्ले करेंगे 3। अब हम 3 लेंगे। चलो अब हम एक काम भी करते हैं 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10। तो हम करेंगे हम 10 हटा देंगे अब 1 आया, तो फिर मैं इन दोनों 1 को हटा लूंगा और एक 2 का रख दूंगा। अब आया 3।
2 + 1 ये 3 हो गए। अब मैं देखता हूँ 10 अगर मेरे पास है 5 6 7 8 9 10, मैं यहाँ से ये 10 ले रहा हूँ और ये 10 का कॉइन मैंने रख दिया।
तो फिर अब मैं डाइस करूंगा, तो मेरा आया 1, तो फिर मैं 1 रखूंगा। इन सब का टोटल होता है 10, इसलिए मैं इन सब को हटा लूंगा और एक 10 का रख दूंगा। अब दूसरा प्लेयर डाइस करेगा।
3 मोहित में जीत गया।
कैसे?
ये मुझे 3 चाहिए था ना, ये 2 + 1 ये 3 हो गया, पर ये टोटल 5 हो गए, तो मैं यहाँ पे 5 का कॉइन रख दूंगा और मैं यहाँ पे जीत गया।
तो फिर दूसरा Geometry is one of the practical section of mathematics which involve various shapes and sizes.
A plane shape is a flat shape, also called 2D shapes such as circle, triangle, and square and rectangle.
Square, what's your clue? I have 4 sides and yes, they are all equal to.
I am a circle round like pie. I am a triangle, 3 shaped have I. I am a square, my shaped are 4. I am a rectangle, look like blue. I am a oval like a zero. I am a diamond. I am a diamond, look like sharp and blue. Thank you.
Shape with some thickness is called solid shape. These are also called 3D shapes such as cube, cubic, cone, cylinder and sphere. Thank you.
Pyramid, what's your clue? Pie, shoot, pie. I am a slice of a delicious pie.
3D shapes are fat, not flat. A cone is like a party hat. A sphere is like a bouncing ball. A prism is like a building tall. A cylinder is like a can of pop. A cube is like a dice you drop. 3D shapes are here and there. 3D shapes are everywhere. Thank you.
Srinivasa Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, India. At the age of 12, he had gained knowledge in trigonometry, and without anyone's help, he had developed his own theorems and ideas. During his free time, he used to solve mathematics questions and worked on various types of theorems. Once an Englishman saw these pages. He was impressed and sent Ramanujan to Hardy, the professor of Oxford University. Professor Hardy then recognized the hidden talent in Ramanujan, and thereafter he got fame worldwide. Thank you.
6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18.
Have to use it. Wheel multiplication table. 4 1 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. 4 3 ja 12. 4 4 ja 16. 4 5 ja 20. 4 6 ja 24. 4 7 ja
By about 3,900 results, and many of them were original and novel-like. The Ramanujan prime, the Ramanujan theta function, and partition formulae. He discovered his own theory of divergent series, worked out the Riemann series, the elliptical integrals, hypergeometric series, and the functional equation of the zeta function.
Wow, such an amazing information we got to know about the great mathematician. Hello everyone, I Gauri of grade 8 would like to thank each one of the participants for their contribution towards this event. Without their support, this wouldn't be possible. I want to extend my gratitude to our mentors, Director Dr. Roya ma'am, Principal Aditi ma'am, Vice Principal Malaya ma'am, and entire maths facility for giving us the platform to showcase our talent and polish our skills time to time. Last but not the least, I would like to thank the entire family of grads for making this virtual event successful. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a great day.